Is your mobile network not working properly? Don't worry, we've all been there. You're trying to make an important call, and suddenly the line drops. Or maybe you're scrolling through your feed and the internet is painfully slow. Weak signal, dropped calls, or sluggish data speeds are super common and incredibly frustrating network problems. They can disrupt your work, your social life, and even your peace of mind. But what if I told you there's an easy fix? At SM Multimedia in Godagari, Rajshahi, we are experts at solving these exact issues. We specialize in complete mobile network solutions. Whether you need a signal boost to get a stronger connection, a fix for those annoying dropped calls, or a repair for your slow data connection, our skilled technicians have you covered. We dive deep into your device's hardware, checking everything from the antenna to the network module on the circuit board, using professional tools to diagnose and fix the root cause of the problem. We don't just put a temporary patch on it. We provide a lasting solution. Think about it, no more searching for that one spot in your house with a single bar of signal. No more asking, "Can you hear me now?" every 30 seconds. And no more waiting forever for a single web page to load. With our help, you'll get a stable, strong, and reliable network connection, making your phone feel brand new again. Our service is not only effective but also fast, safe, and surprisingly affordable. We understand how important your phone is to you, so we work efficiently to get it back in your hands as quickly as possible. Your data and privacy are always protected, and we guarantee a reliable repair that you can trust. You'll walk out with your phone performing at its best, with full signal bars and a smile on your face. So why wait and continue to struggle with a faulty network? Get your mobile life back on track. For any and all network-related issues, contact us or visit SM Multimedia in Godagari, Rajshahi today. Let us solve your network problems and get you connected again. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.